If you're ready to switch from Microsoft Edge to Google Chrome, this video will walk you through the entire process step by step. We'll cover how to import your bookmarks, passwords, browsing history, and autofill data from Edge into Chrome. And then we'll set Chrome as your default browser so it opens automatically when you click web links. This is a quick and easy setup, and it can save you a lot of time if you're moving over from Edge and want everything to feel familiar right away. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. If you don't already have it installed, you'll need to download it first, but if Chrome is already on your device, just launch it from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu. Once Chrome opens, look at the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three-dot menu. Click that menu, and from the drop-down, select Settings. This is where you can control all of Chrome's setup options. In the left-hand menu, click You and Google. This section is where Chrome keeps your profile and sync settings, and it's also where you'll find the import tool. Now click Import Bookmarks and Settings. Chrome will open a new import window, giving you the option to bring data over from another browser. In the From dropdown, select Microsoft Edge. Chrome is built to import directly from Edge, so this makes the transition smooth and simple. After that, you'll see a list of items you can import. Choose the data you want to bring over, such as bookmarks, save passwords, browsing history, and autofill data. You can select everything if you want a full transfer, or only choose the items that matter most to you. Once you've made your selections, click Import. Chrome will begin copying your Edge data into your Chrome profile. Depending on how much data you have, this may take a few seconds or a little longer, but once it finishes, your important browsing information will be ready to use inside Chrome. Now that your data has been imported, the last step is to make Chrome your default browser. This tells Windows to use Chrome whenever you open links from emails, documents, or other apps. To do that, go back to the left menu in Chrome settings and click Default Browser. Then click Make Default. Windows will open the default app settings, and you may need to confirm Chrome as your default browser there as well. Once you complete that step, Chrome will become your main browser instead of Edge, and that's it. You've now switched from Edge to Chrome, imported your important browser data, and set Chrome as the default browser on your computer. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.